In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to register with ALDI online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. If you're setting up your mobile service, your online account is created when you activate your SIM card. So, go ahead and type in ALDI mobile activation, navigate to its official website. Once you're in its official website, click on Activate My SIM. Now scroll down, choose SIM type. Then enter the activation code found on your physical SIM packaging. Type in your email address, name and date of birth. Upload an ID document like a driver's license or passport for government verification. Set up a secure password to finish your online registration. If you want to register for ALDI grocery shopping, launch ALDI app. Then click on Continue with ALDI. Click on Register here. Now you will need to fill in these details. Type in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, zip code and the password. Then agree with terms and conditions of ALDI. Then click on Create Account. With this, your account will be created on ALDI. So this way you can easily register with ALDI online. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.